Hello friends, today I am with a new video in which I am going to explain you about Easy Sketch Pro. Yes, Easy Sketch Pro is also a very wonderful software for the teaching, yes, for teaching online, and in that also we have the animations and many more things. So let us start. So I will just click on Easy Sketch Pro. It is a very wonderful like video scribe. It is same thing. Here we have the options, many options you can see over here, from that new project, open project, save as, and new slide, image, text, video, and many more things. So in this you can create a hand way, like handwritten movements you can give it. Okay, so let us start. First of all, we will go by the settings, and that if you want to do the settings for the canvas size, like for example I want to go for one, the normal size which we give it to our slide, right? Then you can select the colors. Yes, I am going with different colors. Yes, by default there is white color. You can go with a black color, yellow color, any of the color. I will go by the white. Okay, click on save for the settings. Yes, now our slide is prepared over here. Now what we can do over here, for that, first of all, if you want to give any background, yes, if you want to give the background which is already there over here, you can take it or you can add it from the library. Click on add the library. We will have some of the options like I don't have it over here. New folder. Okay. From that I can select any of it. Here you can see that you can take it as a background. I don't want to take it, so I'll go with a new project. Again the same thing, settings. Yes, we will go with different options. Here, as I have told you, in the background we have many of the options. You can do the selection for that. Okay, I am going with a new slide. In that I want to insert a text. So here click on text. Here we have the option of color selections. Yes, you can select the color for the text. You can select the font for your text. Even you can make it bold. You can give the center alignment. Okay, so this is all about, and even you can change the font which you like it. Okay, then click on OK. As you will click on OK, you can see over here that the text is here. Okay, next, what we can do, if you want to do any sort of editing over here, you have to click it. So double click and it will be selected. Go for edit, and if you want to change it, you can press it enter also. Like here you can see that everything it is not visible. So yes, we will go to click on OK. Yes, you can see over here that everything is visible now. You can give the handwritten movement in that. Now hand, which type of hand you wanted, like a child hand, female hand, brown child female, or maybe white female, any of that you can select it. Just I will go with the female hand. Click on OK and you can see the preview. Yes, it is very wonderful work done by the Easy Sketch Pro. In that you want to make a story, right? You want to make a story, then you can make a story also. Next, now I will go with a new slide. In that I will show you how to insert the pictures. So here you will click on image. By default there are many images over here. You can see that if you want to go with the animals, you want to show the students that how, like this is what, this is an elephant. Okay, so E for elephant, or you can just tell any story with that, or you can write the story that there was an elephant. Give the color, whatever, as I've told you the steps I've already given to you, that you have to click on color, you have to click on the size and click on OK. As you can see that everything is being covered over here, so we will make an editing over here. Okay, this is the way that we can do, and now you can see the preview of it. Here there is a benefit of it that you can change it into a video, this thing. Even you can give your voiceover. Okay, so like here I'm just starting over here. There was an elephant who had no friends. Okay, I think so I left it out that thing. Okay, we will go again with the voiceover. Click on record. Hello, this is the story about an elephant. He had no friends. Click on stop and click on add. Now we will click on record. Hello, this is the story about an elephant who had no friends. Click on. Okay, now the next thing which we are going to see, that is about the music. Okay, so how to add the music. Here you can see that you can select any of the music if you want to select it. There are, by default they are given some of the music, you can play it and change the looping of the music. Add. Okay, click on record. Hello, this is the story about an elephant who had no friends. Click on. Hope you all have liked it, this thing. Thank you.